We are in an era of fast-growing business. Organizations perform thousands of daily activities by thousands of people all across the world. In order to govern such massive work, organizations tend to maintain coordination structures known as business processes. Business processes allow organizations to achieve their strategic goals.
Process mining is a set of techniques that helps organizations to improve their business processes. Process mining can make the difference between a successful and unsuccessful business organization.
During this course, we will be discussing different business processes, such as ordering goods in a wholesale store, processing insurance claims in an insurance company, or maintaining and fixing heavy machinery in a construction company. All of these are examples of business processes that can be analyzed and improved using process mining.
Process mining is about analyzing the data execution of what has been done, by whom, and when. Process mining techniques are very easy to use and they require zero programming knowledge. In this course, we provide you with very easy to use tools in order to help you to learn process mining.
We will be talking about automatic process discovery, performance mining, predictive process mining, and many other techniques. The materials used throughout this course are based on the materials created in the University of Tartu by Professor Marlon Dumas.
I am Gamal El-Komi, a junior research fellow at the University of Tartu.
And I am Antti Alman, a junior research fellow at the University of Tartu.
Join Antti and me in this wonderful journey to learn about process mining.